One of the best ways to use Facebook and Twitter are sharing links that lead back to your website. When you add a link to a Facebook post or to a tweet, we want a gorgeous image to show as well as a title and a description. But sometimes when you put that link in, nothing happens. Here is the quickest, easiest way to get a great link preview to show up on Facebook and Twitter every time. Note, this tutorial is specifically for sites built with WordPress. First, we'll need to download a free plugin called Yoast Seo to our WordPress site. It will allow you to set your title and description for the page or post, as well as a bunch of other things, but for right now, we're just using it for our title and our description. Go to the page or post that you want to link. Scroll down until you see this Yoast Seo section. Your title will go here, and your description will go here. And the great thing about Yoast is that it has indicators to show the best length. So we're aiming for green or orange, but most definitely green if you can get it. Once your desired title and description have been installed, you'll need to choose an image. Opt for one that is about 500 pixels wide and is landscape, not portrait. Portrait images can work, but the top and bottom half will end up getting cut off. In the same page or post, there's going to be a super handy area right over here where you can set a featured image. Click here and go to the media library. Then choose or upload the photo that you want. And once that's in, save. If this is a brand new page or post that you're just publishing, you should be all set to start sharing. But if you're revising an old page or post that was missing a title and description or missing a featured image or had a featured image that you didn't like, you may need to debug. For Facebook, go to the Facebook Debug tool. It's not something that you need to buy or sign up for. All you have to do is paste your link into the slot and click Debug. Once you click Debug, you'll get a bunch of information that looks like this, as well as a link preview. And if the link preview doesn't look the way you want it to, we'll need to hit Scrape Again. And basically what this does is it forces Facebook to look for the new information we've just installed. Sometimes it can take a couple of seconds, so you might need to tap Scrape Again a couple of times to get the right result. Now, when you go back to Facebook and drop in your link, the preview will generate. Once you see the preview, you can actually delete the link that you just pasted in, and the preview will remain active. The process is even more simple for Twitter. Just search for Twitter Card Validator, or go to cards-dev.twitter.com/validator. You'll get a very simple page that looks like this. Simply paste the link in and press the button. It'll show you what your link will look like as a tweet. This tool actually will adjust and update old links that weren't validated. So if you've just tweeted something and you've realized that the preview doesn't look the way that you want, you don't have to delete it and start over. You just have to go to the card validator, paste it in, and your preview will be updated. I hope this helps you out. You will need to go ahead and set these titles, descriptions, and images for every individual page and post on your site.